How to add cash to Cash App card. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video I'll guide you on how you can add cash to your Cash App card, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Well, if you'd like to add cash to your Cash App card, then all you have to do is first of all just go ahead and launch the Cash App on your phone. Once you launch the Cash App on your phone, you're gonna see this type of interface where first of all you need to make sure that you have a cash card. Now to apply for a cash card, you need to just tap the cash card icon here, tap the get free cash card button, and then make sure to actually go ahead and then apply for a specific Cash App card. Then the Cash App card will be mailed to you at your delivery address. Once you've received a Cash App card, let's say you want to add cash to it. So for that, first of all, just tap the home button here. Adding a Cash App to Cash App card basically means adding it to your Cash App, which means that if you have a Cash App card, you want to withdraw it from ATM and you want there to be money. That's what you're talking about. Well, that is the case that you just have to add it over here. So come to the home tab like this, then you can see cash balance is 0. So you just want to make sure to tap the add cash button, enter the dollars worth of money that you actually want to go ahead and add it to, then just tap the add button here. Once you've done that, first of all, make sure to use your passcode or maybe your PIN, and then once you've done that, simply verify your identity to continue using Cash App. So just tap and continue, and then make sure to verify your identity by scanning your document, which is the front side of your driver's license or your state ID. Once you've scanned the document, you should be good to go in that manner. And this is simply how you can go ahead and then actually add cash to Cash App card so that you can withdraw it from anywhere. Hope this video helped you guys. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you in the next video.